Casey Tyson, Georgia Igel Company. I've been here 15 years. We are a heavy civil contractor out of Central Ohio. We do a lot of concrete, bridges, shoring, pile driving. We do a lot of ODOT work, bridges, things like that, public work, county bridges, along with the city of Columbus. Link-Belt makes a great crane. We own 4 cranes now currently, and they're all Link-Belts. The TCC 800 is the newest one that we came into.
Actually, with this crane, it is very advanced. Actually, probably one of the most advanced cranes I've ran. The computer system basically will tell you everything, and the situation that you're in. It'll tell you ground bearing pressure on your tracks, where you're swinging. It actually has a chart in there that you can say, well, I'm 1 degree offset, 2 degree offset on your chart, and then your chart will, you select that and your chart will adjust accordingly to how out of level you are. Usually you would have to go into your paper chart, figure out, okay, I'm using a list chart here, I'm 2 degrees out of level, what am I good for at this radius? To where this one, you just punch it in and it'll tell you exactly, you know, what you're good for in that situation. It's a very versatile crane, I would say. You can set it up any way you want to. In any situation that you're in, you know, if you're in a tight situation, you can't extend the tracks all the way out. You can extend a midway out and then adjust that in your chart to tell you exactly what you're good for and all that. So it basically, you tell it the situation you're in and it's going to tell you what you can and can't do. The
increased capacity has helped us on the changing dynamics of jobs and longer reaches with, you know, some of the GCs that we work with require anywhere from like 75% capacity, so having that increased capacity helps us with reaches.
It has a 120 foot of main stick in it, and then it has also, right now I have a 35 foot jib attached to it, which there's also another section.
The TCC 800 is a great fit to this job with its sprawling capabilities.
If you need to move 10 feet, you can move 10 feet without doing anything, and then you're set right back up to start picking again.
Along with the abilities of the mobilization of the crane.
It is very easy to move, very easy to, like, transferring from site to site. It's very self-explanatory. I usually don't do that stuff, but I've tore this crane down a couple times and very easy. And what we're doing here, it's definitely the best fit for us.
And Link-Belt is also a very good resource for us, and they're very helpful when it comes to working with this crane. We very rarely have issues with our Link-Belts, but when they do, Link-Belt is here to help, along with Columbus Equipment. They're there to help. It's not about selling a piece. They want to make sure that we are getting what we need, and we make sure that we explain what we're looking for and what we're trying to achieve with our cranes. Columbus Equipment is good about having a good idea of what crane is capable of doing what we need. Link-Belt and Columbus Equipment together is a great combination and is a great benefit to the Georgia Igel Company.